All right, everyone, how you doing? We're back. We're here with the CPI weekly investment news. Glad to be here. So, quick recap of the week, plans ahead,
Absolutely.
and all the other exciting stuff. So, to start off, we obviously it's Wednesday. We had our webinar today with
Darren Batchelder. He's incredible. He spoke to our guests about passively investing in multifamily real estate and how he's building wealth for his family now. So that was a really good interview that we did today, and it'll be posted on our YouTube show.
It'll be posted on our YouTube show. We'll put the link to the YouTube show. Get on there. We have all our guest recordings there. We also have snippets of the video, so you can see the kind of the parts we've selected that was interesting. Our YouTube show today, our webinar, is in a webinar format. It's on YouTube to view later, but it's in a webinar format, so it allows the guests to engage. But our show was also on Clubhouse. Clubhouse sandwich.
Only people with iPhones can actually use
currently Clubhouse is a new app. It's currently only on iPhone and is invite only. You got to get invited, or you got to request for somebody to let you in. I've used up all my invitations to people, so don't ask me for invites.
I don't think I have, so I have a couple more. So reach out to me if you want me to invite
you.
On to Clubhouse.
So we were live on Clubhouse. We had a few people listening to us, and then we allow people on Clubhouse to jump in and ask any questions from our guests on Zoom. So super technical stuff, but I am a strong believer of Clubhouse. All our shows are going to be live on there. We also have they've already been scheduled. Also, I'm going to have other kind of scheduled events on Clubhouse to discuss real estate investing topics.
And then might I add really quickly, Clubhouse is a great way for not only meeting incredible people, but also learning a lot.
Beautifully said.
Yeah,
beautifully said.
A ton of stuff.
If you're starting out in real estate investing, if even if you're seasoned, get on there and get different perspective of people. It's these rooms, people come in and discuss different topics. Even as a professor, you can learn more.
Learn, educate.
Next topic.
So how about Elon Musk and his $1.5 billion investment?
That's a billion
investment.
He used his
into Bitcoin.
His company funds to invest $1.5 billion in Bitcoins. It hasn't been told when he made this investment. It was done in the last month or last few weeks. And I follow him on Twitter, and I've heard him I've seen him talk about Bitcoin a lot. What does this mean? This means.
What do you think this means for real estate, August?
This not only for real estate, but a step before that, I'll get to the real estate. Great question.
Yeah.
This is huge for Bitcoin itself. Now it's in mainstream. Everybody's using it. I hear people talking about their grandmas buying Bitcoin. But what this means for real estate? Now you're gonna say, "Hey, Bitcoin. What does it have to do with real estate?" It does. It does have something to do with real estate because it's all about democratizing investing. So this concept of syndication, what we do, we partner with many investors to buy an asset. So imagine now a blockchain, same technology that Bitcoin runs on, being used to purchase real estate, to be able to be owner of a real estate and backed by what is it called? Backed by digital currencies, or what is it called?
Mind blank.
Backed by blockchain. That's what I'm trying to skip. Blockchain. Quick mind blank there. So next topic. Let's talk about the stimulus check. Stimulus check going out to all Americans. The new administration is in the House. There is big amounts going. But what does the stimulus check have to do with the stock market? So
yeah,
the stimulus is being mailed out, $1,400 check, but people are using these checks, believe it or not, to invest in the stock market.
There's literally videos on YouTube teaching people how to use their stimulus checks in the stock market.
to invest in the stock market. But it's not only limited to people using. Obviously, the reason for this stimulus check is for people who are really struggling, who don't have enough food to eat. But a lot of it is also being used to invest in the stock market. And you can see this through data. As soon as the stimulus check goes out, investment in stock market skyrockets. So that's interesting to see. I believe that's also going to translate into real estate as well. Not on the stimulus. The stimulus package is not only the $1,400 checks that get to a single person being sent out. It's also sent out to companies who are having difficulties throughout this time. So some of those people might not want to. Let's say a restaurant is in a bad situation. They might not want to reopen a restaurant. They're taking those fundings and they're using it to make an investment, buy some Tesla stocks. So that's another topic we want to chat about. And let's get to why are we working almost 18-hour days this week, possibly for the next couple of weeks here.
Well, we are going to be telling you guys about a deal opportunity, an investment opportunity that we are trying to lock down right now. We're really excited about it.
We can't fully talk about it yet. The deal is not under contract. The deal will be on our on the Token Funder website.
So tokenfunder.com, you can make a soft commitment.
You can make a soft reserve. So what a soft reserve is, soft reserve is a soft commitment, soft reserve, same thing. You can make a soft reserve that when this deal comes available, you have interest into investing in it, and you can also choose your amount, first come, first serve. So we really suggest you to check that out. We'll have that attached to this video.
And I want to highlight one more time, we are democratizing real estate investing. So we're literally taking retail investors and buying institutional investments. Yeah,
historically, these large institutional type investments, when I say institutional, is in assets that are 100+ unit multifamily assets. These are large, tens of millions of dollars to buy these. We're partnering with retail investors to be able to buy these large assets.
So we can all prosper and invest like the top 1%.
So that was it. We kept it pretty short this week.
Absolutely.
We talked about the main items. Catch us on Clubhouse, Bitcoin, democratization of real estate investing, all the other great stuff, and great.
And I think
great
that's
job.
about it, August.
High five.
We're going to be I think we're going to be working till late tonight, but we're really excited, and we will see you guys all
later
very soon.